playing more Scratch games. Welcome to DavMC. If you are new to this channel, I post regular videos on Minecraft, Scratch programming, and gaming videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. So, last episode I played some more Scratch games. I played this game as well called Airplane. I started off not recording because, well, yeah, I just didn't. And I can upgrade more, great. So, showdown. Boom, boom, die you noob. Die already, finally. Yes, 4, there we go. 1, 2. 1, 2. There we go, that's better. What? What? Hey, you ain't hide behind no clouds, my dude. Get out of here. Nuh-uh. 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 There we go. Thank you. Yes. Yes, there we go. There we go. There we go. Huh. 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 Now I can shoot like instantly like I have a pistol. Now this is actually a pistol. Okay. Minigun. It's time to get OP. The minigun's actually the best weapon so by far. Apparently. Get out of here! Ha ha ha. That's how quick the minigun shoots. It's actually kind of insane. If you actually think about it, it's insane. Insanity. Thank you very much. There you go. Get out of here, you noob tops. Okay, I have 1. What should I do? Okay, there we go. Get out of here, you noob. Noobs, drink hot water. For some reason, I don't know why I said that. I'm just shooting like crazy. Wave complete. Hey, you noob, you think you can defeat me? Well, not today. Wait, how do I know shooting? There we go. There you go, a couple of hits and you're dead. Sorry, my friend. Just gotta die. It's the laws of this game, okay? The whole point of this game is for you to shoot bullets at these enemies until they die and wave complete. Great. Except this guy's still chasing me. I don't know why. Huh? 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 What? You think you're gonna escape me, man? Nah, that ain't happen. Okay, you know what? You got me. Fine, whatever. Huh? Wait, where are those crates? I need one. Give me a crate. Yes, I guess I'm not gonna get any crates. Let me reload. There we go. Finally, I can finally shoot at these airplanes. And I choose the minigun because that's the best gun. The cannon sucks. I tried it out earlier. Yeah, that's right. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, the noob. Oh no, I hate this. The hardest part. This guy never dies for some reason. Get out of here, you noob. You ain't got nothing on me. Okay, fine. He actually... I rage quit, guys. This game is too hard. The map creator, I hate you for making this game as well as I don't hate you. Why did you make this silly bully? See, look, everyone's like, okay, this is too good. Make 6. Yeah, 6 is way better. Cool, yeah, it's cool. Keep out good work. It's not the best game, okay? I would totally go with this guy. Not the best game, okay? This is amazing in the JavaScript version. It's made like a real video game. Is this real store? No. Game on App Store. Kinda. It's on itch.io. Okay. It's also on blah blah blah. Mine loaded immediately. Lol. Okay, good for you. Super good. I won. So good. Best. Super. Did amazing. Super duper amazing, but it's hard, yeah. Connected into space. What do you do here? Just watch, okay? Oh, so it was glitched, huh? What about Hudson shot? Ooh, jumpers, potion, speed, right push spells, sold out. You have 0, yes, that's true. Okay. Well, that seems interesting. Oh wow, you can like wall hop, that's cool. Hop, 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 hop. There we go. And now we go up here, and now we go hop. Oh my god, oh my god. No! I'm sad, my hard work. Hop, hop, hop. Hey. Hop, hop. No, no, oh my god. This is actually kind of hard. If you kind of think about it. Hop. Hop, 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 hop. No! Start all the way at the back at the first stage. Great. That's great. And I did that again. This is actually kind of cool. Just like, hey. Because it's actually kind of realistic if you think about it. It's not really that realistic, but it is definitely realistic. Oh, well. See, the problem with this is that... what's this button? Alright, just tells you what you have. So, let's go here and let's just say... Oh, wait, no. So you have to go like... Huh. How do you do this so hard? Huh. I got it now. No, I'm not doing this again. Fine, I am. No. Phew. Only went down one stage. So hard. Sorry if there was any background noise earlier. It was just, it's thundering outside and like something's beeping. I don't know why. It's really loud, the beeping noise. But it's over, finally. Oh my god. This is so hard. Oh my, no. I fell out the world. Let me just do that again because I can. Great. I haven't even got a single coin yet. How hard is this going to be? Please tell me. Please tell me. Please tell me. Please tell me. I'm a noob. This is actually pretty hard. Hey. 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 Oh my god. What? No. Phew. I thought I was gonna fall all the way back. I actually kind of hate this part. And I just fell all the way back to the end of the tower. Great. How hard is this gonna be? I have no idea. Oh my god, this is so hard. Map creator, I hate you for making this map. And I'm a noob, so I have no idea how to do this. Great. This is too hard. Finally. Peace. Peace out, boys. Huh? Yeah. No! Okay, definitely no peace. Everyone, rage this, quit this game. It's really hard. Don't play it. Wait, if nobody wants to play it, why am I even recording a video about it? What? Doesn't make sense. Oh my god, oh my god. Huh, huh, huh. Huh, huh, huh. Huh. Yeet, 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 yeet. Yeah, that's right. Yeet. Yeet. Ah! No! How hard is this gonna be in my life? I don't know, but it is gonna be very hard. Huh, huh. No, 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 no. This is actually fairly hard. No. Huh, huh, huh. I like this wall jump. It's kind of easy. But this part's not easy. I hate my life and I hate this map. Do I have any coins? Or do you have to click them? You know what would be nice right now? A jump boost spell. But I have nothing. Great. That's just amazing. Huh, 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 huh. Yeah. What? Oh my, no, 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 no. I hate myself. Huh, 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 huh. Ah! Huh. There we go. That's right. No, 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 no. That is so hard. I'm already failing on the third jump. Why? Oh, no, 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 no. I keep dying, and it's actually very annoying. For a second, I feel like I'm finished the third stage. That's how much I've been failing in this game right now. I'm not even using ASWD, so at least I made one step further. Yeah. No, no. Yes. Finally. This is also hard, very hard. I rarely make it. No, 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 no. Yes, finally. No. Made it one step further than what I never thought I was going to make it. No, 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 no. No, yes, there you go. That's better. No, 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 no. No, no, no. I hate my life. I hate it. I hate it so much. I fell down so far. Okay, I rage quit. That's the end of this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. Saying this, bye, guys.